Today our topic is integers. It is a new topic for you, but you will enjoy it. Okay? Yes. Our topic is integers, and first of all I will give you the introduction of integers, representation of integers on number line, absolute value of integers. Temperature. I will explain how we calculate the temperature to introduce the integers. Temperature is counted as above 0 degree, that is plus 26 degree, and below 0 degree means minus 26 degree. Height of tree. We measure the height of tree above the ground. As it is measured above the ground, that is plus 7 meter. Okay. Depth of sea. Depth of sea is measured as below the ground, means minus 1700 meter. Next is profit and loss in transaction. As we know, profit means gain, means हमें कुछ मिलता है, that is plus rupees 100 if we have the profit of rupees 100, and if we lost rupees 100, then loss will be minus rupees 100. Natural numbers. We are familiar with natural numbers. It means counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. But if 0 also joins the natural numbers, the collection becomes the set of whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we must know that as natural numbers are positive numbers, but corresponding to the natural numbers, their negative numbers also exist, which are known as opposite of natural numbers. Means जैसे natural numbers हमें पता है, हम लोग शुरू से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं, और नेचुरल नंबर्स जो है हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं, बट इन्हीं नेचुरल नंबर्स के रिलेटेड कुछ नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी होते हैं. जस्ट as 1 is opposite of 1 is minus 1. 1 is positive, minus 1 is negative. So opposite of natural numbers are negative numbers or integer.
Yes, you are seeing on the screen that 1, 2, 3, 4 are the counting numbers. You are familiar with it. Now these are opposite of natural numbers, that is negative numbers. Now including 0 to these, it means the collection of natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers becomes the collection of integers. Okay.
Negative numbers. Idea of oppositeness. As I have told you that negative numbers are opposite of positive numbers. So we can see this as shown below. Going up 6 floors means plus 6 floors, or going down 6 floors means minus 6 floors. Profit of rupees 1000 plus rupees 1000, or loss of rupees 1000 means minus rupees 1000. You can see that up is opposite of down, whereas profit is opposite of loss. Now, if we have to subtract 5 from 9, then we know 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Is 5 minus 9 possible? Usually, we subtract the smaller number from the greater, but if we have to subtract the greater number from the smaller. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. You want to know how? Let's learn about the negative numbers. Negative numbers. Numbers with plus sign are known as positive numbers, and numbers with negative sign or minus sign are known as negative numbers. It means opposite of natural numbers are negative numbers. For example, minus 5 is opposite of 5, and similarly 15 is opposite of minus 15. Hence, natural numbers without sign are positive numbers. But the most important thing is that we can never ignore the negative sign. It means if the number is minus 5 or negative 5, then we must read it or write it with minus sign. We will read it minus 5, not 5. You can never ignore the negative sign. You have to speak minus with the number if you are telling the negative integers or negative numbers. Got it? Representation of integers on number line. Now I will tell you how we represent the integers on a number line. It is a number line. Here 0 is the center. The number line goes on to infinity in both directions. The opposite of the counting numbers create the negative integers. Now you can recognize that it is the collection of integers because it has the positive numbers in red color, 0 as well as negative numbers in blue color. The collection of counting numbers and whole number 0 along with the opposite of the counting numbers is named as the set of integers. Ordering of integers means integers का order किस तरीके से होता है, कहाँ negative होते हैं, कहाँ 0 होता है और कहाँ पर positive numbers होते हैं, वो अभी मैं आपको number line पर show करूँगी. It is a number line. You can see 0 is in the center or it is called origin. Blue color numbers on the number line are positive numbers and red color numbers on the number line are negative numbers. If we move from right side to left side, means right to left, then the numbers are decreasing. You can see if we move from 10 to the left side, 9, 8, 7, 6 number are decreasing, and just opposite if we move from left to right side, then the numbers are increasing. If we move from 0 to the right side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means numbers are increasing right side. Ordering of integers, again this is the number line. Now I will tell what happens if we count backward through 0. अगर हम 0 से पीछे की तरफ बैकवर्ड चलते हैं तो क्या होता है. जब हम 0 से बैकवर्ड चलते हैं, piece to the left side, then there are negative numbers in red color, and if we move right side, there are positive numbers in blue color. This number line shows that 1 and minus 1 are at equal distance from 0 but on opposite side of 0. It means 1 and minus 1 are opposite of each other because they have the opposite position along with 0. Now, in this number line, there are some facts I have to tell you. First, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Number on the right are always greater than the number on the left. 0 is smaller than every positive integers, that is 0 less than 5. 0 is greater than every negative integers, for example 0 greater than minus 5. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer, for example 5 is greater than minus 5. मीन्स पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हमेशा 0 से बड़े होते हैं या 0 पॉजिटिव नंबर से हमेशा छोटा होता है, और 0 नेगेटिव नंबर से हमेशा बड़ा होता है, या हम इसका अपोजिट कह सकते हैं नेगेटिव नंबर्स हमेशा 0 से छोटे होते हैं, और हर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर नेगेटिव इंटीजर से हमेशा बड़ा होता है. Most important fact, the greater the number, the lesser its opposite. For example, 9 is greater than 8, minus 9 is less than minus 8. 9 is greater than 8 as 9 lies to the right of it. It means as I have told you, if we move from left to right, numbers are increasing. So as 9 lies to the right of 8, so 9 is greater than 8. And minus 9 is less than minus 8 because minus 9 lies to the left of minus 8. Similarly, 10 is greater than 3 and minus 10 is less than minus 3. There is no greatest or smallest integer. सबसे बड़ा या सबसे छोटा integer नहीं होता because they are up to infinity in both directions. Every integer has a successor and predecessor, but 0 has no predecessor. Absolute value of an integer. What is absolute value of an integer? The numerical value of an integer, regardless of its sign, is called the absolute value of integer. I show you how it is written. The vertical bars, these red vertical bars or lines, indicate the absolute value. It is called modulus. You can see here absolute value of 5 is 5, or modulus of 5 is equal to 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is 5, or modulus of minus 5 equal to 5. Absolute value of 0 is 0, or modulus of 0 is equal to 0. इसका मतलब जब हम एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू की बात करते हैं तो हम साइन को इग्नोर कर देते हैं, और पहले चाहे उसके साथ प्लस का साइन हो चाहे माइनस का हो, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू हमेशा उसकी पॉजिटिव रहेगी. The absolute value of an integer is always positive. Points to be remembered. Set of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Numbers with plus sign are known as positive integers. Numbers with negative sign are known as negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. The number on the right of the number line is always greater than that on the left. Okay, I hope now you can tell the numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign is called the absolute value of the integer. The absolute value of an integer is always positive. So here our topic is finished. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Okay. Bye.